again. We apologize today. The video is going to be on the iPhone because we forgot our camera. We didn't forget the camera, but we brought the camera, but we don't have an SD card. So we're going to be doing this all on the phone, unfortunately, but there is still some cool cars we want to show you. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, you guys, so right here we have a Damon's SVJ. Finally out here to South OC Cars and Coffee. I think Amari likes it. He's eating his chicken nuggets. This thing is gorgeous though. I'll give you guys a full walk around. Again, I apologize, I don't have my actual camera. It's got wheels on it. This is the first time I've seen the wheels. They look really good. This car is honestly is just such a gem. My gosh. Let's take a look. Also have a really nice Senna, and I will go ahead and take you over there and show you that now. Also, if you were wondering about Amari's eye, he has a little like a cellulitis infection on his eye, so he's on antibiotics now, unfortunately, but he seems to be getting better. He's doing good with the antibiotics. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you the Senna. It's super nice. Here we have the Senna. It's like a fully exposed carbon Senna. It looks so good. This thing is crazy. Just look at the carbon. So insane. Oh, you guys, just look. So gorgeous. And then the yellow accents are so nice. Oh guys, I just had to come around to the back. So for the longest time I wasn't really a big fan of Sennas, but there's like nothing to not like about them. Just look at this. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below if you would. If you personally think the Senna is an awesome car. This one is also really nice. It's just really gorgeous white. I think I've said this before, but white is always super clean, in my opinion. I love the white. No, you're good. This is a 610-4 four-wheel drive version of the Huracan. And they have the 580-2 and the 540-4, which is the Performante. Amari seems to like this one, but he always likes any Lambo, so makes sense. All right, you guys, we had a gem arrive. A Testarossa is here, and it is for sale, you guys. What do you guys think about this? Would you ever want to see a nice classic on the channel? Drop a comment below. Let us know if you would want to see a classic. It's pretty cool. It's gated as well. It's the gated manual. It looks really cool. Such a classic. If you saw, you know, Wolf of Wall Street, you know about this one. By now you may have noticed how like light it is today. There's barely any cars. Let me just show you how empty it is. It's just like dead today. On the other side too, it's like empty. Like there's even just like random, like regular, you know, like SUVs and stuff parked. It's kind of sad. But not every weekend's gonna be a packed weekend, so that's all good. Also, this is the car that was here last time. I had no idea what it was. It's someone's actual kit, like that they created themselves, and they built it around, I think, a Ford motor. I'm not exactly sure which one. I know it's a V8. But they built this themselves, and it's full carbon. And so I'm assuming this thing rips because, you know, the weight on it, it's full carbon, and it's, you know, a V8. So it's got to be stupid fast. Super fast. It's also pretty funny. So I've noticed him a few times here, but we have Daniel Mac here at South OC Cars and Coffee, and I'm always like, is that him? And I just got a live viewing of him walking up to someone's car and asking him what they do for a living. Super cool. Is that a big fry? All right, you guys, this is one of the cleanest Supras I have seen. Super clean. It's like in perfect condition, left-hand drive. It's gorgeous. Check that out. Oh, we definitely will get a Supra at some point because this has always been a dream car. Oh, this one's clean though. This is a really good example of what can be done with the Supra when it's cleaned up. gotten the Aventador SVJ, and they are driving over here to the other side, I think maybe to rev it or something, because you're not allowed to rev it here at South Ocean Cars and Coffee. They get super uptight about it and pissed. So I'm gonna go over here and show you guys the SVJ one more time. It sounds ridiculous in person, and it's definitely making me want to get an SVJ or just an Aventador in general, because that V12 sounds insane. So we will be probably having to get one at some point on the channel. It's not gonna be the first one because there's a couple other cars I want to do first, but we're gonna have to get one for sure. Also, Daniel Mac's back in action with Damon and Dave. So me and Amari are just chilling back home. As you can tell by the hat here, yeah, we are just relaxing. After the Cars and Coffee, we actually went and did a couple showings on some houses. We used to do that every Saturday. He comes with me to go and show some properties and all that kind of stuff. Amari's wanted me to take him to play with some cars. So that being said, I will talk to you guys super soon. We're gonna have another video coming out soon. We're gonna try to be getting an actual car here on the channel, so we have content to make again. That is, you know, something that we're actually building. We haven't done anything on, you know, in a long time. It's been just like a ton of business stuff going on. So anyways, subscribe for sure, share with a friend, absolutely hit the like button, and we'll see you guys super soon. Peace.